Our lash specialists have developed 3 unique ways to create your iconic look. Lash lift. Advise your customer to come to the appointment without wearing makeup. Make sure your salon is clean and all equipment is disinfected. Apply Jacky eye makeup remover foam with the foam brush to clean the lashes. Place a small amount of eye makeup remover foam on the foam brush and make soft circular movements to clean the eye area. Clean the entire eye area, including the upper and lower eyelid, where the nourishing eye patch will be placed. Remove the eye makeup remover foam residue by using Jacky cleaning eye care lotion. Cover the lower lashes gently with Jacky nourishing eye patches. Use a mascara brush to brush natural eyelashes as preparation of the Jacky lash lifting pre-treatment application. Use the micro brushes to apply lash lifting pre-treatment onto the natural eyelashes. Choose the correct size of Jacky silicone pads. Bring a thin layer of Jacky lash lifting adhesive onto the silicone pads and place pads on the upper eyelid, close to the edge of the natural eyelashes. We advise you to apply lash lifting adhesive onto the silicone pad, which you divide in 3 sections starting from the outer corner of the eye. Bring a thin layer of lash lifting adhesive onto the silicone pad. Then stretch the eyelashes over the silicone pad by using the Jacky lash lifting tool. Make sure eyelashes are spread out properly and straight over the silicone pad. Use the Jacky ring for quick and easy application. Place a drop of Jacky firming lotion into the ring. Apply the firming lotion onto the eyelashes in a straight line. Let the firming lotion soak in. Use Jacky treatment applicator to remove the firming lotion from the natural eyelashes. For the next step, make sure you use a new ring. Place a drop of Jacky lifting lotion into the ring. Apply the lifting lotion onto the eyelashes in a straight line and let the lifting lotion soak in. Use the treatment applicator to remove the lifting lotion from the eyelashes. Tinting of the natural eyelashes. Apply Jacky lash tint and allow to soak in for a few minutes. Remove the lash tint with the Jacky treatment applicator. Use a damp cleansing wipe to remove the natural eyelashes from the silicone pads. Dampen the treatment applicator with water and gently press underneath the silicone pad. Carefully remove the nourishing eye patches. Brush the natural eyelashes with a mascara brush. Inform your customer about the instructions and aftercare of Jacky eyelash treatment. We highly recommend to use Jacky eye makeup remover foam. Thank you for watching and visit JackyAmsterdam.com.